Hello everyone, it's your girl Benny of Phil Benny's Kitchen. How are you all doing? Because I'm great today. So today I'm taking you to south part of Nigeria, Akwa Ibom, to bring you this special delicacy. Today in my kitchen, I'm going to be cooking Atama soup. Atama soup, very interesting soup. So on the table, I have all it takes for our Atama soup. You cook Atama in two ways. There's one you cook with water leaf, with the Atama leaf. There's one you cook with banga sauce with the Atama leaf. But today we are going to cook the one that we are going to use the water leaf. On the table, I have the oil. We are using periwinkle that is still with the shell. That is what we are going to use. They call it sok. If you know what I mean, sok. Then here I have my stockfish head and I have my dry fish. Here is my water leaf, crayfish, Cameroon pepper, bouillon cube, and salt. So this is our Atama leaf. This is how the Atama leaf looks like when you go to the market. There is one that they call white Atama, the leaf. There's one that is kind of bitter. So when you go to the market, tell them to give you the Atama, that the one they call the white leaf. So this is the already prepared Atama leaf. When you buy the Atama leaf, you have to pluck it from the stem. You wash it because it comes with a lot of sand. After washing, you cut into tiny bits. Then if you have a mortar, you pound it, or you use your food processor to pound it. After pounding, when you're about using it, you now boil your water to be very hot. You pour it in and wash it very well. Then you sieve it, and this is what it gives you. For the water leaf, we have already washed it thoroughly and cut it thinly. I'm going to be using goat meat, shaki, snail, and beef for our soup. It's already boiling on the gas cooker. So when we are done here, we now move to the gas to start preparing our Atama soup. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So I've come to check the meat. The meat is cooked. So I'll add in the oil. Allow the oil to heat up a bit. Before I forget, most of you who don't know Atama leaf, the Atama leaf is kind of bitter. So you have to wash very well to remove the bitter taste. If not, you'll be having bitter leaf soup. For adding our crayfish, you have to be generous with crayfish, Cameroon dry pepper blended, then the bouillon cube. Then I'll add our isam. This one is one that has shell. It has not been taken out from the shell. That is what you use for this, or you can use the other one that has been taken out from the shell. But if you want to get the real taste of this soup, you use this isam. Then I'll add the stockfish head and the dried fish. Then I'll cover and allow this to simmer for like 5 minutes so that everything will combine very well and cook very well. So I'll cover the pot now and allow it to cook maybe for like 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes, I'm back to check the soup. So this is what the soup looks like now. It's okay, so I'll add in the water leaves. You stir to combine everything together. and to allow the water leaf to boil down. You don't need too much water in this soup. This water leaf will bring the liquid we need for this soup. Please keep liking, keep sharing. If you are new here, please subscribe. So I'll cover it and allow it to boil for some time. So guys, see what we have here. The soup is almost ready. I'll stir and add in the atama leaf. You know, because I already poured in hot water to wash it, so it is as good as already cooked. So when I put it in, I will not allow it to stay too long on the heat before I turn off the gas. So this is our atama leaf, thoroughly washed, hot. Then use hot water to wash it to remove the bitter taste. That is why it's looking like this. So now I'll just turn it into the pot of soup. I'll stir everything to combine very well. Wow, this is looking so good. You can take this with any fufu of your choice: pounded yam, gari, tofu, oatmeal, pando meal, potato, flour, anyone you can use for it, or add salt now. I'll taste if the salt is okay. Then I'll turn off the heat. Please keep liking, keep liking. I'll just add a little bit of salt. I'll add in more pepper because it's not hot at all. You know, most have seen that I like food that is a bit hot. Okay, the salt is okay, the pepper is okay. So this is our atama soup. You can ask your friends from the south so they can tell you about this atama soup. So sweet, so yummy. So everything is okay now. I'll turn off the heat. So my people, see our atama soup, how delicious it looks. So I'm just going to test now because I don't feel like eating any swallow. So I'll just take some and taste. So yummy and delicious. Please go try yours and thank me later. If you have not liked this video, please like and share. So sweet. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.